All right. Imagine you have a PC without a browser installed on it. Just imagine. We know that for a beginner to go on the internet, you need a browser, but computer experts have their own tricks. You might be thinking, wait, how do I download Chrome if I don't have a browser to download it with? Great question. Don't worry, I've got you covered with two simple methods to install any browser you want: Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Brave, or any other browser, all without needing an existing browser. The first method is super simple. We'll use the Microsoft Store, which comes pre-installed on every Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store. Click on it. Click inside this search box. Now type the name of the browser you want to install. Let's try a few examples. For Firefox, type Firefox and press Enter. The Microsoft Store will show you all available browsers and related apps. Look for the blue Get button. It's usually very prominent at the top. Click this button to start the installation. Once installation is complete, 100%, the button changes to Open or Launch. Click Open to launch your newly installed browser. That's it. You now have a working browser installed on your Windows computer. The second method is even faster, but uses the command line. Don't worry, it's actually very simple. You just need to copy and paste a single command. Click on the Start button. In the search bar, type PowerShell. You'll see Windows PowerShell appear in the results. Right-click on Windows PowerShell in the search results. A context menu appears. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to proceed. Here are the commands for the most common browsers. These commands use a Windows package manager called winget that allows you to automatically download and install software. I'll put all these commands in the video description so you can easily copy them. Let's say you want to install Chrome browser. Copy the Chrome command from the description. Go back to the PowerShell window. Right-click anywhere in the PowerShell window to paste the command. The command appears instantly. Once the command is pasted and you can see it in PowerShell, press Enter on your keyboard. Type Y and press Enter to accept the terms and continue. Then you'll see progress, and after 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your internet speed, you'll see Successfully installed. That's it. The browser is now installed. You'll see a desktop shortcut appear for your newly installed browser. If you want Brave browser too, follow the same step. Copy the Chrome command from the description, go back to the PowerShell window, right-click anywhere in the PowerShell window to paste the command. The command appears instantly. And that's it. You now know two different ways to install any browser without having a browser. Both methods are quick, easy, and completely safe. Save this video for the future. You never know when you might need to install a browser without a browser again. It's also useful for helping friends and family who run into this problem. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know which browser you installed and which method you used. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new browser.